My mom lives 30 feet from me. We share the same roof, same address, same property. But we don't share the same house. This is the Spartacus II Dogtrot. 3,500 square feet designed to solve the problem every family with aging parents faces. How do you live close enough to help without living on top of each other? One side is my family's home. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, full kitchen. The other side? My mom's complete private apartment. Bedroom, bathroom, living room, kitchenette. Connected by a breezeway, separated by privacy. Today, I'm showing you why this is the smartest multi-generational floor plan available, and what it actually costs to build. If you watched my Spartacus I video, you know that design is built for entertainment, home theater, bunk pod sleeping 8 people, game room for teenagers. The Spartacus II is different. Same Dogtrot concept, 2 wings connected by a 20-foot breezeway. But the seaside isn't a game room. It's a complete private apartment designed for aging parents or adult children who need independence. And here's why this matters right now. 52 million Americans are currently caring for aging parents, and most families face 3 terrible options. Option 1, move them into a spare bedroom. The problem? Zero privacy. Everyone's frustrated within 6 months. Option 2, build a separate ADU or granny flat. The problem? $120,000 to $180,000 for 600 square feet. And they're still isolated from family. Option 3, pay for assisted living. The problem? $4,500 to $8,000 per month. That's $54,000 to $96,000 every single year. The Spartacus II costs $515,000 to build complete. That's the same as 6 years of assisted living, except you own the home, your parents live with dignity, and the property value is yours. Let me show you exactly how this layout works. A side, your family's main house, 2,200 square feet. Walk in the front door of the A side. This is your family's home. Great room with vaulted ceilings soaring overhead, open to a modern kitchen with island seating, pass-through window bar that opens directly to the breezeway for outdoor entertaining. 3 bedrooms on this side, your master suite with ensuite bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms, kids' rooms or guest rooms, second full bathroom in the hallway, laundry room, walk-in pantry. This side lives like a normal 2,200 square foot home, your space, your family's daily life. The breezeway, where 2 households meet. Step outside into the breezeway, 20 feet wide, covered porches extending front and back. Stone fireplace right in the center, outdoor furniture, string lights overhead. This is where Sunday dinners happen, where morning coffee happens, where grandkids play while you and your mom talk. But here's the critical detail. Both wings have completely separate entrances. Your mom doesn't walk through your house to get to hers. You don't walk through her apartment to get to yours. Connection without invasion. Seaside, the in-law suite, 800 square feet. Now, walk to the seaside. This is your mom's private apartment. Separate entrance from the driveway. She can come and go independently. Friends can visit. She has her own address, essentially. Inside, a full living room. Comfortable. Her furniture, her TV, her space. 1 bedroom, not huge, but enough. Queen bed, dresser, nightstand, a window with a view. Full bathroom designed with aging in mind. Walk-in shower with 0 threshold, no step to trip over, space for grab bars if needed later, comfort height toilet that's easier to stand from. And here's what makes the Spartacus II brilliant. A flex space. Maybe it's a kitchenette so she can make coffee without coming to the main house. Maybe it's a home gym that you use. Maybe it's a home office. The point is, this 800 square feet adapts. Right now, it's mom's apartment, but it can also be a rental bringing in $1,200 a month, or your adult kid's first place, or an Airbnb. That's the layout. Now let's talk about what this actually costs to build, and it's not as expensive as you think. Plans. Spartacus II floor plan from the Barndominium company, $1,795. Engineering to stamp for your state, $3,500 to $5,500. Total for construction-ready plans, $5,295 to $7,295. Build cost. National average for Barndominium construction in 2026, $130 to $150 per square foot. Spartacus II at 3,500 square feet, low end, 3,500 times $130 equals $455,000. High end, 3,500 times $150 equals $525,000. Realistic complete build, $515,000. That $515,000 includes foundation, slab or pier, your choice, complete steel structure and metal roof, insulation throughout both wings, interior finish on A side, drywall, paint, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, interior finish on C side, complete apartment build-out. HVAC systems, 3 zones, A side, C side, breezeway stays open air, all plumbing and electrical, windows and doors, permits and inspections. Compared to alternatives, building 2 separate 1,800 square foot homes on the same property, $600,000 to $700,000. Assisted living facility for 6 years, $324,000 to $576,000, and you own nothing. Adding a 600 square foot ADU to existing home, $120,000 to $180,000, plus your mom's isolated. The Spartacus II isn't the cheapest option, but it's the smartest investment. Now, there's one mistake I see families make with this design, and it costs them $15,000 to fix later. The mistake is this: not future-proofing the seaside bathroom. Here's what happens. You build this when your mom is 72 and healthy. You install a standard bathroom, tub-shower combo, regular vanity, normal toilet. It works fine, for now. Fast forward 10 years, she's 82, arthritis in her knees, balance isn't what it used to be. Now that tub she has to step over, it's dangerous. That standard height toilet, she struggles to stand from it. The bathroom you built at 72 is a hazard at 82. Do this now during construction. Walk-in shower with 0 threshold, no curb, no step, completely level entry. Add $1,800. Blocking for grab bars installed in walls. Even if you don't add the bars yet, install the 2x10 blocking. Costs $400 now, costs $2,200 to retrofit later. Comfort height toilet, 2 inches taller, easier to stand from. Add $180. Curbless shower with fold-down seat, for when sitting becomes necessary. Add $900. Total cost to future-proof is $3,280. Cost to renovate later when she needs it is $15,000 to $22,000. Tear out, rebuild, accessibility upgrades. Do it right the first time. Your future self will thank you, and your 82-year-old mom will be safe. Build the Spartacus II if you have aging parents who value independence but need you nearby. You want them close for emergencies without sharing living space. You're thinking long-term, in-law suite now, rental income in 10 years. You have the land, 2+ acres recommended for zoning. Your budget is $450,000 to $550,000 complete. You live in a Dogtrot friendly climate, breezeway usable 6+ months. Don't build the Spartacus II if your parents need 24/7 medical supervision. This isn't assisted living. You're in a restrictive HOA that bans accessory dwellings. You don't have 2+ acres. Zoning often requires setbacks between living quarters. Your budget is under $400,000. Build a smaller Dogtrot or traditional in-law suite. You're in a northern climate without adding glass panels to the breezeway. Add $30,000 to $40,000 for year-round use. The Spartacus II isn't about square footage or floor plans. It's about solving one of the hardest decisions families face:
How do you care for aging parents without sacrificing everyone's independence? 3,500 square feet, 2 complete homes under one roof, connected by a breezeway where life happens together, separated by walls that preserve dignity. My mom gets her private apartment. I get peace of mind knowing she's 30 feet away if she falls or needs help. And we get Sunday dinners together around the breezeway fireplace. That's worth $515,000. Drop your situation in the comments. Are you building for aging parents, adult children, or future rental income? Tell me your state and budget. I'll tell you if Spartacus II is your best option, or if you should look at Spartacus I, III, or V instead. And if you don't have aging parents, but you do have teenagers who need their own space, go watch my Spartacus I breakdown. That's the entertainment wing version with home theater and bunk pod. Link in the description. Subscribe for the full Spartacus comparison video coming next week where I rank all 5 versions. See you there.